Quickly talking about one of the periodic property, which is shielding effect. It is the reduction in force of attraction between nucleus and valence electrons by the electrons present in the inner subshell. It is that property in which the force of attraction between the nucleus and the valence electrons is reduced, and the reason for the reduction in the force of attraction are the electrons which are present in the inner subshell. Let's see an example. Which atom has greater shielding effect, beryllium or magnesium? As we know that beryllium has an atomic number 4 and magnesium has an atomic number 12. Through their electronic diagram, we can clearly see that more electrons are present in the inner shells of magnesium as compared to beryllium. So magnesium has more shielding effect than beryllium. Talking about the periodic trends of shielding effect, when we move from top to bottom in a group, the shielding effect increases. The shielding effect increases because when we move from top to bottom in a group, there is an increase in number of shell. What does this mean? We know that hydrogen, it has one electron. It contains only one electron. We can see it from this electronic diagram that hydrogen contains only one electron. But when we move from hydrogen to lithium, it contains 3 electrons. What does this mean? That 2 electrons are present in the inner shell, lithium, and an other shell is added and this electron is present there, which means when we move from hydrogen to lithium, another shell is added. Similarly, when we move from lithium to sodium, it has 2 electrons in its inner shell, then 8 electrons in its second shell, and 1 electron in the valence shell, which means that another shell is added in the sodium. So when we move from hydrogen to lithium to sodium, one extra shell is added, which means that when we move down the group, another shell is added. And when another shell is added, the number of electrons increases and they shield and they reduces the force of attraction between the valence electrons and the nucleus. Talking about the period, when we move from left to right in a period, the shielding effect remains constant. What does this mean? That when we move from left to right, the shielding effect remains constant. Here it is written that the atomic number is increasing. Atomic number is increasing, but the shell number remains constant, and more electrons are added in the same shell. What does this mean? That potassium, it contains 19 electrons, which means 2 electrons are present in the inner shell, then 8 electrons are present in the second shell, which gives it 10, then 8 electrons are present in the third shell, which means that it is 18, and another electron is present in the outer shell, which gives it the number 19. It has 19 electrons, as we know. When we move from sodium to calcium, it has 20 electrons, which means that the same electron, the electron is added in the same shell, like this one. Similarly, when we move from calcium to scandium, it has 21 atomic number, which means 21 electrons are present there, and that electron is added in the same shell. And that electron is added in the same shell, which means that the shell number or the shell remains constant and the electrons are added in the same shell. So that's why shielding effect remains constant as you move from left to right in a period. So this is all about the shielding effect. Thanks for watching.